boys and girls, I'm Miss Cho. In this lesson, we are going to revise textbook 5A, Chapter 6. In this chapter, there are three main focuses. They are, how many times have you? Have you ever? And the frequency words like never, once, twice, 3 times. First of all, the present perfect tense plus ever. We can use the present perfect tense to talk about an experience up to the present moment. We did not say exactly when it happened. We'll ask like this. Have you ever been to Ocean Park? Ever means at any time in your life. This question means, have you been to Ocean Park at any time in your life? If you have been there, you can answer like this. Yes, I have. If you have never been there, you can answer like this. No, I've never been to Ocean Park. Never means not at any time in your life. We can use there instead of Ocean Park to simplify our answer. We can answer like this. No, I've never been there. Lastly, we're going to talk about asking about frequency. We use the present perfect tense with how many times when we talk about something we don't do very often, or when we don't have to know the exact time when we did that activity. We'll ask like this. How many times have you been to Ocean Park? I've been to Ocean Park once. Here we can use there instead of Ocean Park. I've been there once. Once means one time. Once means one time. Twice means 2 times. 3 times. 4 times or more, we can say 5 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, etc. Then we are talking about the past activities. We use the past tense to talk about things we did in the past. We'll ask the question in past tense. What did you do at Ocean Park? We use did instead of do. I rode on a cable car. Rode is the past tense for ride, so we use R-O-D-E, rode here, to talk about the past experience. Here is the key structure of this chapter. You can also find these key structure tables in your book, page 49. Are you ready for the practice time? Let's start now. Here you can see a map of Taiwan. And you can see a tick here. Student A will ask, have you ever been to Taiwan? So, what will student B answer? I give you 5 seconds to answer my question. You can refer to your book, page 49. Yes, the answer should be yes, I have. Next question. How many times have you been there? You can see one smiling face there. That means you have been to Taiwan for 1 time. We won't use 1 time here. What word we use instead of 1 time? I give you 5 seconds to think about the answer. Very good. It should be I've been there once. O-N-C-E, once, instead of 1 time. Next. What did you do? In the photo, you can see 2 cups of bubble tea. So what verb we are going to use here? Very good. That is drink. D-R-I-N-K. And now you can see did here in the question. So you are going to use past tense. What is the past tense for drink? Yes, the past tense for drink is drank, D-R-A-N-K. So what is the answer? I give you 5 seconds again to think about the answer. Very good. I drank bubble tea there. Okay, we're going to have the last question. In the photo, you can see a cute little cat. Her name is Yun Yun. She is my cat. She is at my home on my desk. So I'm going to ask you, have you ever been to Miss Cho's home? I think most of you or all of you have not been to my home. So what is your answer? You see a cross here, right? So what is your answer? The answer should be, no, I haven't, or I've never been there. Now, this is the end of the lesson, and you are going to have some multiple choice question in your PAR lesson 2. Remember to try your best to do the questions. Good luck.